Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new page in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to click on online store. Now under this tab you will find the pages option. Just click here. Now on the right side click on add page. So here type the title of page, like I'm typing the title here. Now here you can also add the description, content, or whatever you want to add here. So simply you can also change the fonts and edit the text here. So here you can also theme, template, default page. You can also change the template here. So here you can see finally we have created a simple page. So now go to pages. So here you can see our page is appeared. So in this way you can easily create a page in Shopify.